What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Yes, same clothes on. I'm still looking rough, but man, the grind does not stop. We still gotta keep working. We still gotta keep moving, guys. So let me show y'all what we got in, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
She said, hey mom, day job, I don't feel it. I need race car, top down to match my ceiling. I don't have none.
Well, never mind. I'm fixing to get rained on. But we got the O2 sensors in, and then look at this eBay welding, man. eBay's starting to get good. So we need to have everything plugged up. On the cool, off camera, I've been trying to get it to turn over to see where I'm at, you know, as far as the wiring goes with everything. And then I read in the book, it says don't be trying to do that. So I need to quit trying to do that, guys. I need to just plug everything up and get it going. So yep. So anyways, I think I'm gonna get rained on. I might have to go in. I might have to finish this video up later. Well, it stopped raining a little bit, guys, so let's try to do one side real quick. So we got the never sees on the O2 sensor. I hope y'all can see. I can't see what y'all seeing. We got our clamp. There's the rest of the exhaust. What else? That's it. We got a wrench, a socket. Shoot. See, I like it when the kids are here because they hold the camera for me. Make it a little easier. Let's see. Yeah, I can't even see where I'm at. Oh, that ain't gonna work. Let me get it started, guys. I gotta move all these wires out the way. Let me get it started. Well, that's close as I can get it, guys. I know y'all want to see, so this is like when it's perfect to have the GoPro. And I haven't seen it. I don't even know where my GoPro is. Don't tell me. You gotta be kidding. You gotta be kidding me. It won't go behind there? Oh man. What the heck? We're getting you behind there. There we go. Still ain't gonna. Don't tell me I gotta loosen this whole header. Golly. Oh my goodness. Yep. Look like I'm finna have to loosen the whole freaking header. It ain't one thing, it's another. Look. Let me show y'all real quick. Where you at? Look, it's like the clamp is hidden right here on the dang motor. It's hidden on the motor right there. I don't think I can get through there. Man. Let me see what I can figure out, guys. Alright guys, it's a whole another day and I got frustrated last night, I'm not gonna even lie. But let me show y'all what I got going on. So on this side, it's enough room. So we're good on this side. I already got it on there, I just need to tighten it up. I already got the O2 sensor in. Hold on real quick, let me take this tripod off. Y'all see? And I didn't have to loosen the header or nothing. And I went ahead and put on the neutral safety switch. So that's on there, plugged up. And guys, I'm gonna finish plugging everything up and mess with that wiring. And I mean, it's just been kicking my butt. I was supposed to be editing a video for y'all guys, and I got home and I've been messing with the wiring off camera. Just trying to get everything going. This factory wiring has just been a pain in my butt. The hot wires are doing crazy stuff. Turning on backlights, won't turn the key on. Turning on dash lights, won't do nothing else. I don't know, it's crazy. But anyway, so on this side, I'm gonna have to, excuse me. On this side, I'm gonna have to loosen the header though. So I'll do that off camera. That's gonna be a little boring. And I'll show y'all when I got everything tightened up. Alright, I got all the bolts loose on this side, guys, and it's probably a good thing. That way I can put the dipstick on the correct way. And then I don't know why it's hitting this. But yeah, we'll get it put on there the right way. Or lined up. Hopefully. Alright guys, I got it loose, so I'm gonna get under there and see if I got enough room. She's loose. We'll see if that's loose enough. Alright, I got her on there. Now we just gotta make sure we got enough room and it ain't gonna create a exhaust leak. So I'll see if the gasket tightens up, guys. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw the sensor in too while I'm down here. It goes right here. That's your O2 sensor. Go ahead and get that plugged up. Other side's plugged up. So might as well get that knocked out. We can get out of here and have this stuff done. At least up under the bottom, I think. Start messing with this wiring in this shoe again. I hate it.
Talking about, I don't know.
The rain's coming. I gotta hurry up. We'll just snug it up. Alright. Try to plug this up with one hand. Hey guys! Go right down there. Hold on guys. I ain't gonna be able to do this holding this camera. Alright. Now we can get it plugged up. Alright, she's locked in there. We still gotta cover all the wires up. We still gotta do all that stuff. So don't worry about that right now. Oh man. We gotta beat the rain now. So tighten this header back up. Make sure nothing gets stuck. They see how they don't listen? They don't listen. Okay. There shouldn't be no wires right there. I don't want nothing to get pinched. Alright guys, I got everything tightened up. Got the dipstick tightened up too, so it ain't flopping around no more. And I just gotta tighten up my my spark plug wires. Well, tighten them up, put them back on, cover up my oil, and I think that's gonna be a wrap for the day, cause it's a storm coming. Yeah, it's coming. So I gotta wrap up all my tools. Get ready to shut it down. Get ready to shut it down, guys. So y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.